Hi, my name's Tim Degani, and I'm from Pasadena, California. To talk a little bit about my experience with Alpha Structural, I had them come in and do two different jobs. One was a sister foundation for our house, and the second was a basement walls that had to be put in new. In the first case, the structural foundation, sister foundation, was to support the brick foundation that our house had, which was about 110 years old. And it was deteriorating on the exterior. And so they came in and poured a foundation on the inside underneath the house that stopped the foundation from sinking, and also tied the house into the foundation, which it hadn't been before. So the way I found Alpha Structural was through the internet. Looked at a number of different contractors, got at least 3 bids, I believe, maybe even 4. They weren't the lowest, they were about mid-range, but they also had a very favorable rating on Angie's List, actually. I think one of the number 1 companies in 2012. And so I invited them out, talked with them. I liked the reaction I had with the engineering VP. They came in, did a great job, really very considerate of the homeowners, I thought, and especially did not only a quality job, but did a great job cleaning up afterwards. That's really why I had them come back and do the basement. I didn't even look for other bids, since I was so confident in the work they did. I knew they were going to give me a reasonable price. I brought them back and they did the basement, and again, same outstanding quality. I would recommend Alpha to anybody that's looking to do a structural foundation or structural walls. I think they're a top-rate company, professional employees, and very pleased with the experience.